In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage users in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to enter, how to choose the right role, and how to send a clean, professional invitation that gets your teammate into your books quickly. You'll want to be signed in with admin access, since only admins can add users. Let's start in your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Look to the top right and click the settings icon, the small gear. This is your control center for company settings and tools. If you don't see it, make sure your browser window isn't zoomed in too far and that any pop-up blockers aren't hiding menus. Clicking the gear opens a panel with shortcuts you'll use often as you manage your account. From that panel, choose Manage Users. This is the hub where you can see everyone who currently has access along with their roles and status. It's also a good place to double check you're within your subscription's user limit before adding someone new. Keeping this list tidy helps with security and audit readiness. Next, select Add User. QuickBooks will open a simple form to collect basic details for the new person. You're not creating their password here. You're setting up an invitation that lets them secure their own login. Enter the first name and last name exactly as you want it to appear in user lists and reports. Then type the email address that the person actively monitors. A company email is usually best. Take a moment to double check spelling. Invites go directly to this address, and a typo will delay access. If the person shares an inbox, let them know the invite is personal to them. Now, choose the role that fits how this person will work in QuickBooks. Standard All Access is for someone who needs broad access across sales, expenses, and most day-to-day activity, but not full admin privileges. Accounts Receivable Manager focuses on customer activity, creating and sending invoices, receiving payments, and following up on open balances without access to paying bills. Accounts Payable Manager focuses on vendor activity, entering and paying bills, managing vendors, and tracking expenses without access to invoicing customers. If you're unsure, think about the tasks they'll perform most and pick the role that grants only what they need. When everything looks good, click Send Invite. QuickBooks emails the person a secure link to join your company file. They'll appear on your Manage Users page as pending until they accept. If they don't see the message after a few minutes, have them check junk or spam. Once they accept, their status updates automatically and they can sign in using their own credentials. That's it. Settings, Manage Users, Add User, enter details, choose the right role, and send the invite. Keep roles lean. Review your user list regularly, and you'll maintain clean, compliant access for your team.